Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 12. The topic is security. Security is one of the important topic in day-to-day life. What are the different types of security threats? We have different types of security threats. Before discussing about the different types of security threats, so I want to tell you what is malware, malicious software. Malware is a malicious software which is usually installed without user knowledge. So you will not know what is the software is installed in your computer. It is capable of modifying the user's browser. Most of the time we are using the user browser to get the informations from the internet. So without the user's knowledge, you will get some virus. So again, it often collects the user informations. So we have different types of examples for malware. As I told you before, we have virus, trojans and worms. We have another different types also. We have phishing, spam, web browser tools and zero-day attacks. Now I'll tell you in detail what is meant by phishing, spam, web browser tools and zero-day attacks. What is this phishing? Phishing is designed to trick a user into providing personal or financial information. I want to give you some real-time example. Sometime in your mobile, you will get some offers. So when you click on that offers, they will ask you to give your personal informations. When you given the personal informations, they will steal all your data from your mobile. So this example is called as phishing. Next we come to spam. What is this spam? Spam is an unsolicited email. So what is it? We can see in your email we get lot of unwanted emails. So that is often used for phishing attack or to deliver malware. Next we have web browser tools such as Java and Adobe Flash. So when you try to install that software, it will ask for your informations. It is capable of stealing the informations from the computer. We have zero-day attacks. So it is attempt of exploit software vulnerabilities that are unknown or undisclosed by the software vendor. Here comes the next topic, the different types of security threats in TCP/IP. TCP/IP is vulnerable to a variety of attacks including denial of service, distributed denial of service, a SYN flood attack, a spoofing attack, man in the middle, replay attacks and DNS poisoning. So these are the different types of attacks with relate to security in TCP/IP. So you can refer to the diagram which is given here. So the different types of TCP attacks with related to TCP. Coming to securing web access. So most of the times we use the browser to access the informations from the internet. So securing the web access plays the important role. How to secure our browser? We have the different types of techniques to secure our browser. So it's like ActiveX filtering, pop-up blocker, smart screen filter and in private browsing. In this slide, I am going to discuss about the different types of protecting data. We have different types of technology to protect our data, such as Windows Firewall, we have biometric, smart card and the key job security. We need to take up the backing of data. So as a students, you know that you use your USB, you use your hard drive to take the data backup. Why? So in order to give protections for your data. And then we have file and folder permission and encryptions. After creating the file, you can protect and you can give permission for different types of user. We have the Windows BitLocker. So these are the different types of how we can protect the data. Next, as you know that we are seeing the different types of problems and solutions in each chapter. So the same thing, we will discuss the different types of problems and solutions for security. We have the common problems. The users receiving thousands of email junks every day in the email. We have the wireless access points is discovered on the network. So in your wireless networks, you can see the different types of the persons trying to access your wireless network. We have the flash drives that are infected by virus, which are trying to use in your computer. So when we try to update our applications, we may get some failure even for the operating system. So that is Windows update fail. And we have the system files that has been renamed. So these are the different types of security problems which we have. So just I want to refresh again. So what in the beginning we have seen what are the different types of security threats. So we have the malicious software, the definition of malicious software, and what are the different types of malware, for example virus, trojans and worms, phishing, spam and zero-day attacks. So and then we have different types of security threats in TCP IP. Just go through the diagram, what are the different types of security threats are there, just like denial of service, distributed denial of service, SYN flood, a spoofing attack, man in the middle, replay attacks and DNS poisoning. And I told you about the web access, how you want to secure your Internet Explorer. So these are the different types of techniques which is used to enhance your Explorer. So just now we discussed about the protecting data. So for example, if you want to protect your own informations in your mobile, you have different types of securities like finger lock, face detections. So just to protect your personal data, we use the different types of techniques in the mobile itself. Like that, we have to do it for our computer also. Finally, so what are the security problems and the solutions which we can provide for the security? Thank you.